Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Thursday, 20th of September. Let's have a look at dollar yen, which has continued to sort of move higher with in the past week. 12.15 was broken to on a closing basis, but then you had this negative candle and another sort of negative candle that's sort of potentially coming through today. So it's putting pressure on this uptrend here that we've had in the past sort of couple of weeks. And if you break that uptrend, I think, on a closing basis, I think that really does sort of question the validity of the breakout. You have had this strong move above 12.15, but again, as I said, it's sort of just edged away again, and sort of the momentum indicators just sort of unwinding a touch. RSI still arguably around 60, so not really sort of decisive. MACD and stochastics are positive, and it all sort of reflects the recent breakout above 12.15, but yesterday's candle, and if that again turns into a second negative candle, something you haven't seen within this uptrend, then that sort of does question, I think, the breakout. You've got this uptrend channel on the hourly chart, and it's found support at around the sort of around the breakout, I suppose you'd say. 12.05 I think is today's low, but 12.15 is the breakout, so it's sort of basis of support around that, and that's within the uptrend. You've got configuration positive, RSI above 40, MACD lines back towards neutral, so there's all sort of levels that you'd expect the buying pressure to come back in, and you could argue the last sort of couple of hours we've seen that pressure coming back in, but you do need to see this level holding of the uptrend channel. 1165 is the key level of support near term, because that is sort of higher reaction low, but you still need to see this market moving above 12.45 and then on towards 13.15. And if you get a positive close and a bull candle today, I think that sort of negates yesterday's negative candle. So I think that this is an important session today, but I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.